from Ate Maloy.
What is your name? Where are you from? What's your number?
What's your address?
Your name and where you're from?
I'm Mika and I'm from Rancho Cucamonga.
Hi, Mika!
Or Mika too.
Hi, what's your name and where are you from?
I'm Gerald, and I came from Washington State, Spokane.
Team Washington!
Huh?
Team Washington.
Yeah, see? Washington!
How about you, baby girl? What's your name? How old are you? And who are you with?
So cute.
My name is Shira, and I'm 8, and I'm with my mom.
Important.
Hey, how about you? What's your name, age, where are you from? Kung saan ka pinanganak? So I'm Jo from Philippines and I'm 30 years old. 31 na pala. 31 years old. I'm born in Pasay City.
How about you? What's your name and age and where are you from? Seryoso?
Hi, my name is Kim. I'm from San Francisco. And it's my son Milo's 9th birthday. So,
Happy
here we are.
birthday!
What's your favorite food?
Sinigang.
Okay, good.
Ganda ng accent nila, no?
Ano?
Hi po. What's your name? What's your name? What's your phone number? What's your name?
Nikki, 8184.
And what's your social set?
Okay, what?
Chat na lang mo, chat lang, chat.
My birthday. Oh, my zodiac sign. I'm so sorry. I'm a Virgo.
Virgo! You know Virgo? Ano ba ang characteristics ng Virgo?
Tikulit.
Ate Colette, where are you?
Kalamin na lang kami dalawa.
Virgo! Ano ba yung best characteristic ng Virgo? Alam ko Virgo,
Mataray.
very detail-oriented, right? Am I right? Right?
Yes.
Hey, I love your glasses. Ano? Inuman na tayo? Ano sabi mo?
Wala pa nga.
Mamaya tayo yan after show. Joke lang.
Okay, what's your name? I'm Trisha Santos. Santo. How old are you? I'm 30. Lights on or lights off?
Sige, ako na. Bisaya mo na siya, guys. Ay, Bisaya na eh. Pailaylay mo kaugalingon. O, nakaya po na.
Hello sa inyong tanan. Ako si Sofia. I'm just gonna speak in English. Hi everybody, I'm Sofia. I'm from Davao City, Philippines! Wala ko uyab. Ay, hindi ko uyab. Sorry sa uyab. Uyab.
Sabi niya may jowa daw siya.
Sana maghanap tayo dito.
Ano din yung maganda dito, parang we can come together as one, diba? As a family, kahit saan tayo pumunta, may mga lumilipad from different places, and that's why we deserve a group tea! Okay ba kayo doon? Picture tayo, guys?
Yes!
Okay. Kuya Ryan! Kuya Ryan! Ako si Kuya Ryan.
Ay, dito siya.
Supportive ni Kuya Ryan talaga. Asan siya?
He's there.
Kuya Ryan, may work ka pa bang babalikan? Joke lang. Okay, smile.
Yes!
Done? Oh, done na, done na. We will count later. May picture tayo later.
Later.
Yes. Ano ba nakalimutan natin sabihin? Yun lang naman so far, guys. No?
Parang nakain na natin lahat ng sino.
Feeling ko mga lokal na.
Kumain kami ng ice cream kanina, yung fruits.
famous
fruit
dessert.
shop.
Yung parang sobrang mango.
Yung, ano yun?
Fruity kasi siya ice cream eh. Para siya
There's mango,
strawberry.
wanted to go outside, the more.
Right? Alam niyo po yun, di ba? Okay. Baka kasi guni-guni lang namin. Thank you so much po, mga kapamilya.
Thank you.
Thank you. Exciting tonight. Thank you.
See you later.